Is your T-Mobile Wi-Fi box stuck on the powering up screen? This usually means the device is failing to boot correctly. It's often caused by firmware glitches, unstable power, or hardware problems. Think of it like a computer that can't load its operating system. Common triggers include power outages, incomplete updates, or even just age. Don't panic. Most of the time, you can fix this yourself. First, try a soft reset by unplugging the Wi-Fi box for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. This clears temporary memory and can resolve power instability issues. If that doesn't work, perform a hard reset by pressing and holding the reset button on the back of the device for 10 to 15 seconds while it's powered on. This forces a restart of the bootloader sequence. As a last resort, perform a factory reset through the T-Mobile app. This wipes all settings and restores the device to its original state. Additionally, ensure stable power by using a surge protector and provide adequate ventilation to prevent overheating, which can cause boot failures. If these steps don't resolve the issue, contact T-Mobile support for possible hardware replacement, especially if your device is under warranty.